Yo guys, welcome back to another video. Today is gonna be my reaction to season 2. I'm going on a little spring break trip, so I'm not gonna be here. So I figured I should make a video real quick. And like I said, we're almost to 1,000 followers, 1,000 subs, whatever you want to say. When we get to it, I got a bunch of things. We got streaming coming, we got a vlog coming, we got face reveal coming. The newly improved face reveal. Jeez. But anyways, yeah, I got two little games here of just me getting confused as hell by this new season. But I'm not gonna lie, this new season is really fun. I played 2 games. These are both the 2 games you're gonna see, and I had a really good time playing it. So I hope y'all enjoy. Make sure to like, follow, subscribe. Like I said, we're on the road to 1,000 subs, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one, guys. Okay. All right. I'm not. Oh shit. Fuck, what is that? Oh hell nah. We are not letting that slide. Oh, hell no. I would never stop chasing this guy. I don't care. Come here, buddy. Bro, I'm not. I wouldn't. Oh, wait. He's gonna try to. Come here, buddy. Stupid that. Woo! Oh shit. What the fuck is this SMG? Oh yeah. Guys, am I dead stuck? We gotta reload this. What's wrong with you? Ah! What's wrong with you? Ah, damn, turn my shit around. Bro, I can't move in this motherfucker. Alright, gang. Oh, shit. Oh, hell nah. Oh, hell nah. Oh, hell nah. We sitting in a box. I'm not dealing with this right now. Oh, is that... Oh, hell no! What is that shit? What the fuck? What the... What just happened? Oh, snap. Oh! Oh, this is embarrassing. No, gosh damn, one at a time. Alright. Now let's go get that guy at the island. Hold up. Bro got totaled it said. Nah, that is tough. That is tough. 6, alright. Boom. 14, alright. Bro, are you serious, bro? Fuck. Oh my goodness. what the fuck was that? What did I just get hit with, for real? What the fuck is that? Oh my god. What the fuck is that? What the fuck just happened?